today's video is going to be a clean and decorate with me. This is how the living room is looking. So yeah, we need to spruce up a little bit in here, and I am going to take you along with me as I clean up the space. So if you like clean and decorate with me videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell. Become a member of the family. I do tons of budget-friendly home decor hauls, DIYs, and home decorating in general, all on a budget. So if that's something you're into, I'd love to have you a part of the family. Now let's get to it. So as you can see, my couch has these little pills all over it. So the first thing we're gonna do is try to get rid of most of these pills. I probably won't be able to get rid of it all, but we're gonna do our best. This pill shaver came from Amazon. Looks like this, and I will leave it linked in the description box down below. This is what we've gotten so far. So it does work. All right, so this is as far as we got before my battery gave out, but as you can see, I did pick up a lot of the pills from the sofa, so I'll have to recharge the battery and go back at it, but that is what we have for now. So I heard a lot of YouTubers talk about this glass cleaner, Perfect Glass, and they always say they picked it up from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Home Goods. Well, I was never able to find it, so I ordered this from Amazon. It's a refill bottle. It was like $9, and there is 2 liters, 67.6 full ounces. And I just put it in a separate spray bottle. And I think I got more bang for the buck by buying the refill. So that is a tip, and I will leave this linked in my Amazon store for you to go check out.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. No, no, no. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning and waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. Can't go one more day without you.
everything all cleaned up, and I am going to add the pillow covers that I picked up in my home decor haul from the other day. If you missed that video, I will leave that linked in the iCards above as well as in the description box below. I don't take my old pillow covers off the pillows. I think it makes more sense and it saves space to just put the new pillow covers on top of the old. Does anyone else do that? I love using air diffusers in my home. It makes the air smell so fresh and clean. Menthol is one of my favorite scents to use in my home. It just smells so nice. Do you guys use air diffusers? And if so, what's your favorite fragrance? Leave me a comment down below as I am looking for some new scents. I love the Santal fragrance, and so Dossier also has a designer inspired version of it. It's called Woody Oak Moth. This is actually a perfume or a cologne actually that I picked up for my boyfriend, but I'm not using it for that. I'm actually using it as a room spray, and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to spray this around the room and then we'll be done and we'll see the finished look.
Bring back dignity. Time and time again I relapse, but love has never left me. Perhaps I should have found a way to pay it back. But forget what you take, only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all washes away. Me back at the start, time and time again I relapse, but your love is always waiting. Perhaps I can't save myself, so I fade to black. But forget what you take, only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all washes away.
You guys have enjoyed this clean and decorate with me winter edition for my living room. We didn't get all the pills off the couch, but that's okay. I will hit them up next time. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, I would so appreciate it if you would consider becoming part of the family and hitting that subscribe button. Tap the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. So that's all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one.
Wash away from the night to the